So these are the Hydro Silk Touch Up Razors. They normally come like this with a little tiny cover on them. This is what they look like without the cover. So they have this little tiny notch right there that holds the cover on. And then if you're using this one, like for your eyebrows, like I have in the picture here, it shortens the length of the blade so that you don't have a whole blade to work with. And then when you're done with it, you can flip it around. See, it has the hole on the other side too. You can just flip it around for a cover. So these things are really neat. They stay sharp for a while. I'll put the cover back on this before I hurt myself. They stay sharp for a while. They're easy to travel with if you need to. And they're good at getting all the little fine hairs and help you with your eyebrows and shaping.